Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial, I created this beautiful all matte look for you guys using the Morphe 15T palette. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. And if you want to be entered in this month's giveaway, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Make sure that you have your post notifications turned on. And then make sure you comment done down below to be automatically entered in all of our future giveaways. So the first thing that I did was I grabbed my Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer and I just put that all over my eyelid as a primer, and then I blended it out with a damp beauty sponge and then set it in place with some translucent powder. Next, I went into my Pixie highlighter in Glowy Gossamer Duo in the shade Subtle Sunrise, and I grabbed the gold shade and I just applied that all over my brow bone to highlight that area. And you guys already know this is one of my favorite highlighters. And then jumping straight into the Morphe 15T palette, I grabbed #MorpheBabe, which is this beautiful, vibrant, bright orange shade, and I just put that in my crease, going in back and forth motions. Putting that in my crease as my transition shade. And then I picked up the shade Woke Up Like This with a defined angled brush, and this is kind of a more neutral brown shade, and I just put that in my crease, going in back and forth motions. And I put that shade a little bit above my actual crease, and I love to add a defined line first, and then I go in with a fluffy brush. And it just really helps me control the product and make sure that it doesn't go up too far in the crease. And then I went back into that MorpheBabe shade, the orange one, and then I took a fluffier brush and I just went in back and forth motions over that line just to really diffuse it out. And then I grabbed my Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer once again, and I just put that all over my eyelid as a base, just to kind of clean up the lid space. And then I went in with some translucent powder right over that. And yeah, I just went for a really matte look today. And then I went into MorpheBabe once again with a pencil brush, and I just started to buff that all over my lashes, my lash line actually. Kind of where you would apply liner, I just smoked out that shadow. And yeah, I just went in with a very small amount of product and I slowly builded it up. And then I went back into Woke Up Like This with a defined angled brush once again. And I just focused that shade directly on my lash line, going in back and forth motions and making sure that I build that color up nice and slow so that we still have that blended smoky effect. And then for lashes, I went in with my Sofie Bella Jamaica lashes. I will go ahead and link these in the description box down below. For those of you guys that don't know, Sofie and I actually own a lash brand, so we pretty much wear our lashes in every single video, and they're pretty good quality. So yeah, definitely check them out if you haven't checked them out before. And I decided to leave the lower lash line bare and just go with this look just like this. So this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Definitely comment down below if you would wear this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!